Right Gastroepiploic Artery. 12 questions and answers. What is the right gastroepiploic artery also known as? The right gastroepiploic artery is also known as the right gastroomental artery. Is the right gastroepiploic artery a branch of the gastroduodenal artery? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery is a branch of the gastroduodenal artery. Is the right gastroepiploic artery one of the two terminal branches of the gastroduodenal artery? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery is one of the two terminal branches of the gastroduodenal artery. The right gastroepiploic artery is one of the two terminal branches of the gastroduodenal artery. What is the name of the other terminal artery? The anterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery and the right gastroepiploic artery are the two terminal arteries of the gastroduodenal artery. Does the right gastroepiploic artery connect with the left gastroepiploic artery? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery connects with the left gastroepiploic artery. Does the right gastroepiploic artery travel from right to left along the greater curvature of the stomach? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery travels from right to left along the greater curvature of the stomach. Does the right gastroepiploic artery anastomose with the left gastroepiploic branch of the splenic artery? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery anastomoses with the left gastroepiploic branch of the splenic artery. Does the right gastroepiploic artery give off branches? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery gives off branches. What are the names of the branches given off by the right gastroepiploic artery called? Branches given off the right gastroepiploic artery are the gastric branches and omental branches. Branches given off the right gastroepiploic artery are the gastric branches and omental branches. What do they supply? Gastric branches and omental branches supply both surfaces of the stomach and greater omentum. Does the right gastroepiploic artery anastomose with other arteries? Yes, the right gastroepiploic artery anastomoses with other arteries. The right gastroepiploic artery anastomoses with other arteries. Which artery? The right gastroepiploic artery anastomoses with the left gastroepiploic branch of the splenic artery.